Then, participants, hindi nga aton training. Then, the barangay captain and councilors, which is not around. So, maupay nga aga. Maupay batat aga yan na? Maupay. Okay, nakasayaw na. Believe talaga ako hindi nga aton grupo. They are good dancers and composers of the song. So, hopefully by graduation, may napay ni maurupay. Ano? Mga discovery ni what nira through hit era training. So, actually, ining aton activity, which is the season-long technology transfer training on high-value crops, high-value vegetables and fruit crops. Gingaranan iniya nga season-long because it iyo training, maabot gud iniyan 4 ka bulan. Kaya nga 4. Our crops is maturity date ni maturity is may nakita 1 month, may